Hi everyone, welcome to a quick overview of Module 1 of our course. For this module, the topic is, what do you think we know about language learning? And the purpose of this module is going to be to examine some of the key myths and our preconceptions about language learning that we are carrying into the course. So we're going to critique them and interrogate them and think a little bit more deeply about them. In order to do that, okay, everything is here, so I try to be as clear as possible, but let me know if you have any questions. Of course, you're going to start here. There's a quick written module overview, and then there are two things to read. Just the beginning of our course textbook, Lightbound and Spada. There is a series of questions on page 3 and 4 that I would like you to look at. It's giving your opinion on some statements about language learning. Okay, so whether you agree or disagree with them, so quickly go through that, and then in your forum question, I'm going to ask you to discuss two of those, or that you agree and disagree with. Okay, and what else do we have? Our first forum asked you to participate in a short getting to know you. I know a lot of you, but not all of you, so tell me a little bit about your own experiences with language learning and teaching emergent bilinguals, like where you're teaching, what grade, etc. That helps me drive the course. And there's a review of the syllabi. If you have any questions about major assessments or assignments, let me know. Or if something's not clear, again, I just told you about that opinions on language learning. This is a short week because we're starting midweek, so it's a little bit shorter. So we'll just get right to work. I will let you know that our typical, if you've taken a course with me before, you know that there's a typical pattern of courses, course assessments, due dates. I don't like things coming in at all times during the week. I find that hard to organize, and so I like everything to come in on Mondays. So typically a course will open on a Monday, and the subsequent Monday, everything else will be due. Okay, so I've taught this course before, so I try to revise and kind of tweak each week's module, but I'll try to let the module be open early if I can, so I have a little bit more than a week. I totally get that we're working in some difficult times, as I mentioned in our welcome message. So just let me know if you have any questions, and I wish you the best for this week.